champagne, that's a call, cause I'm balling. I was waking up getting racks in the morning. I was broke, now I'm rich, these niggas salty. All this designer on my body got me drip, drip. Hey, straight.
We are back at it again, man. So today we are going to do one little dresser challenge, isn't it? We take up items off of the dresser and we kind of do back the same thing we did in the last video. Consume it. You see it? So, scanner bag we are used to this. Scanner bag. So you shake the scanner bag and you think come outside and that we are going to have a full belly. You see it? So we are going to rock paper scissors the first. And scissors the first. And which item we get? Ready? 1, 2, 3 and where go? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Alright, so give it to you.
I don't know if you can see it, but the last view some of write it big, so I try to write it big so if you can see what I got. It's spelled P-O-W-D-R. You see me I say? Pow. That's a simple thing this, but I'm doing this now. You just see people do this in school.
So now I'm fully ready then. You can squeeze it down your mouth, dog. You message on drugs in it, man. I think I coke, you know.
See that?
So you can sniff instead.
Brother. Scope. And this make Buju Bad tank on a prison in the tank.
What's up, brother?
What? Oh my God!
Holy kitty, man. Yeah, boy, go sit down, man. Peter will talk to me about you.
What?
Peter,
I don't know that.
That video, man, it's holy kitty. Let's see what I want to buy, man. You know something called deodorant? Something using green. You see it, I can't see it.
I don't want to eat powder in school, brother. I think something wrong with them, dog. Something really wrong with them.
How am I going to eat this now? How do it? Lick you off or pull out the ball, or the ball can't come out so eat that. They have to do something to take out it. Why you stop me, no? Same thing?
Hush, roll on, hush. So you take out that now, dog. Bite it. Yeah. You see, you put your mouth to use, man.
The man right there say you bow up, brother. You stain. Yeah, man. You're not good again, brother. Real batty man fit through you. But cool.
You understand? So,
Mouth can green again.
Remove flour, so this is taste that.
Powder.
What? What's good? Time. But
So that guy, if you drink that? Have you never drink that bag?
I have none of the choice, brother. Powder in my mouth.
That we kill you,
I'm going to kill me today.
don't drink something like that, brother. Chew like cat.
Chew like cat?
You come to for food, chew like cat. And taste of my mouth, dog. Nobody because on YouTube, you kill yourself, brother. Chew little like cat, dog. You want to go, Bobby? You want to go, Bobby? You alright, dog?
Continue.
Sure? You don't drink so that?
Help with the powder, but
Should have a lighter.
the wicked piece of data. You know, some of the girl out there, walk up on road. When the foot they walk, coke about her. Call up, butter. Let's see it.
That is not.
How we had it?
I take time to it up, brother.
Why?
I don't want too much good on my hand.
Oh. Okay.
I don't make good in there, brother. When I need masturbation, my two solution is some lotion on my bare hand. Yeah, yeah.
So like the last time they talk about that, you come up and
No,
understand. And to buy slap flip that drink somewhere I call dog. No joke.
Let me see.
Now before spitting it. And then again, I don't know if you can see it, but
Can't see by that.
it help some of the time them in our ears. Each one man some man head dry and zero if you go buy. You see me?
Just dip and eat. Dip and eat. Where that come from, man? You buy eat, no, brother?
Nah, but sister don't rate me, no dog.
Me eat the lotion, no, brother. Me eat the roll arm, no, brother.
We can't dead. We can't dead.
You're not dead, brother. Come on. Can't have me know. We have me clear here, we have seeds. We have seeds.
Something you don't want, so now I'm going to come over.
That look gay, that look gay.
You don't want to come over and ping pong man mouth.
Brother.
We must date tonight.
Let's ask him, but we can't hold on.
Nah, murder dead by alcohol than dead by this, brother.
What do you have can't read? What do you say? Don't like, it's a toothpaste. Something I don't like, the brushing it.
Got it! Got it! Oh! Whoa! Whoa! How we are going that, bro? Put more point thing, man, and stop moving, so. No!
Walk.
Still not make your mouth a difference, so nothing wrong.
That make more ever clean, bro.
Not a wish clean, I'm more thick now. What? No, I'm tearing your mouth.
Okay, now, huh?
This man make it toothpaste look awful, but like you know used to it.
Okay,
Tell about man to brush teeth, no?
Where
Where
bag?
bag?
Where bag?
So you look at that your bag. Look what you have in that bag, man. What you have? No, right, let me write down the last thing for the paper, about. You see me?
If it done, if finish, if finito. You ever know what good for you?
You know when you come and talk about video finito, you have one more item left on the table, bro. You say you got dead. That me I make you know. Yeah, where do?
You know what I mean to say eat the toothpaste?
My business?
So who for go next?
Not me.
Who for go next?
Yo. But I'm even now kind of back on the bed, brother.
Help yourself. Come on, man. Nobody with that, you know. Nobody with that, you know. You can't got that back, you know. You can't got that back, you know. Come on, man. Ah, see my kid drink alcohol. Come on. Come on, brother. This up with your mouth, no, man. Tell you. the video come to abrupt now, so you need to tell them. So you know what you did. Come on, brother, you have
Yo,
more time.
this video done. And
You can't tell people that. That is very disrespectful.
my bad people, let me sit properly and
Introduce? You want to introduce again?
introduce myself. So, we are come to the end of our video. You see it?
Mm-hmm.
I'm say when I last one. Say when I last.
Yeah, this taste by their friend.
I'm saying I last one, yo. You just a start and think. So just subscribe, like, and comment. You see me? We'll do that. We'll give more effort, push out and put up more videos. So for now, just bear with me. You see me? Please and thank you.
You know, nobody want to big up. You want to shout out to. Oh, I just want to shout out to myself. I want to shout out to myself. And that you when you win, big up yourself again. Here. Don't know if you can go.
Like you move some of you.
So, adios amigos.
What could you do? What could you
Yeah, I lie.
How about this?
I want to weapon.
When you think if you done?
You not done yet.
If you done yet?
Now if you subscribe to that, I want to
press subscribe.
and like. I want to let us comment on the thing, brother, so we can get liquor. You see me? I
Yes, say, thing go up.
Oh.
You see me, I say,
You
I
don't
have
know
to
his
share the
thing set
video.
already. You see me?
Share the video.
Don't know his thing set already.
So you know what me I go do?
You know what left?
I go stay so to not subscribe.
Subscribe.
I go stay
You
so
see
to
me?
not subscribe.
And guess what? What else we have left to say? What else we have left to say?
Lights out.